So this is the first area I visited, and this is where I brought my own bucket to get the water from the tank. And the areas have been divided into three parts, so I'll get a time to take you to two areas in this video. So this gentleman has devoted himself to write names and phone numbers according to the number you find yourself. So if you are at number 10, you write your name and you will take your phone number. So when the water arrives, and then he can call each and every individual on his book and then come and then get their water to their homes. It is surprising to think that there is no water even in the tank, and people are already lined up with their buckets. This shows how long this water crisis has been ongoing. People are even contemplating if the aspiring assemblyman is going to bring the water as he has promised. So let's see. So this is area 2. I visited another area, and this is how people have queued with their things, like their bucket, their drums, waiting to get the water from the tank. So I've been here for about 1 hour and still the water is still not in. So the question is the water even going to come? If the water comes, what is going to be the reaction of individuals concerning the water supply? Looking at the stuffs people have brought to this tank, I don't know what is going to happen next.